Okay, we're going down. This is the entryway closet. Okay. It smells a little musty down here, but the ground looks dry. I'm not supposed to have tape on the air conditioning duct. Oh, we're missing insulation altogether. Let me stretch out here a little bit. Let's see what we can see. Missing some insulation over there too. Wooden shim. Okay, and you can see moisture is forming on the bottom. Moisture is forming on the bottom of that duct right there. Zoom you in a little bit. See little moisture droplets, and we got those over here too. We're equal opportunity condensation. It's right there on the top. And we do not crawl over air duct. Okay? Do no harm. Do no harm. We'll get some specialists in here for that. I'll get permission from the sellers and all that. Wooden shims. Let's see what we got over here. Looks kind of moist over here in this area. Wooden shims again. No, we're gonna get over there, that's for sure. I bet I can get under that. Move around a little bit. Does my head fit under here? Exhale. I didn't do that to see this corner better. Want to see, there's some unidentified organic substance right there, that yellow powdery stuff. That's fungal. Hold this nice and still for a few minutes and get a still shot. Because I'm not coming back to take that picture. Somebody's calling me. All right. That scraping you hear is my ass hitting the floor joists. Plumbing coming up out of the ground to the water heater should have been insulated. Plenum is on the ground. You're not going to be able to raise the plenum, so that should be excavated, lined with gravel. If it fills with water, then you need a sump pump. but the plenum's not supposed to be on the ground. Wow. Okay. So they brought the copper plumbing up out of the ground, then joined it with the PEX. That's the only PEX I can see. This black pipe coming across here, that's CSST. But it's black jacket CSST. Alright, so the CSST manufacturer thinks that that's better than yellow CSST, and so it doesn't need to be bonded. Let's see how the jacket is cut so far back from the nut. It's not supposed to be stripped that far back. You know what else I'm seeing over here? It's 2 more 90 degrees. We had 4. That's 5, 6. We got 6 90-degree angles. My 6 90-degree angles on the pressure relief valve, so we got too many angles. This is all the wet flooring from the water heater failure and the bad shower habits failure. I see insulation on the air duct. That's interesting. I wouldn't have caught that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have imagined that. It goes all the way down to that corner, but I'm going down a little ways because I want to look across the air duct. Some of the plumbing is, no, that's a drain pipe. Some of the plumbing, that horsehair right there, that's insulation on the pipe coming out of the ground. The pipe next to it does not have insulation. Here's some water lines. By the time I get that far, but I'm over here now, you can see the jacket a little better. Yeah. Cut back kind of far. Okay. A little wooden debris in there. Can I see better? Not really. Not really. Let me get turned around. Sometimes a different angle can do it. And then sometimes my camera sees things that I don't. Okay, I'm going to turn this off and get some still images. But as far as me crawling, I've taken you just about everywhere I crawled, and I've shown you just about everything I've seen. I wish I could see more underneath the kitchens and the laundry half bath. I wish I could seen more over there. I wish I could have seen the attic in that same area. Both the crawl space and the attic are kind of limited in that range.